Hey guys, it's 619 Lego Man. My cat is playing with my Joker helicopter. I'm just gonna say hi. Say hi, kitty.
With sour cream? What's for dessert, baby?
Dessert? Here it comes. Blueberry ice cream. It's most marvelous blueberry cream.
Holy Toledo, what's happening to your face?
Kitty.
Hold again. Let me finish.
Your face is turning violet. Violet, you're turning violet, Violet.
What are you talking about?
I told you I hadn't gotten quite right. You can say that again. Look what it's done to my kid. Always goes wrong when we come to the desserts. Always. Violet, what are you doing now? You're blowing up.
I feel funny.
Not surprised.
What's happening?
You're blowing up like a balloon. Like a blueberry. Somebody do something. Call the doctor.
Stick it with a pin.
It happens every time. They all become blueberries. You really gonna this time, haven't you, Wonka? I'll break you for this. Oh, well, I'll get it right, man.
Help! Help!
Oh, we gotta be out of her quick. There's no air in there. That's juice. Juice? Would you roll the young lady down to the juicing room at once, please?
That's my cat. She's so cute.
Squeeze immediately before she explodes. It's a very simple operation.
You done? Okay. She's done. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comments. Wait, she's playing with it again. She's laying on it. Okay, so subscribe to my channel, leave comments, and watch all my other videos. Alright, see ya. Say bye, kitty. Okay. Make sure to watch this video and leave comments, subscribe. See ya. Sorry for the technical difficulties. I have to turn the camera around and I don't know how to, I can't like see the button to stop recording. Look at her. Alright, see you guys.